Hey guys, Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I have Sydne with me here today. Sydne has a kick-ass YouTube channel, so make sure you check that out. But we've teamed up to create some petite and curvy looks for you guys to slay summer.
Slay summer, I love that.
Yeah. I feel like people think of fashion, right? And they think of fall, winter.
Yeah.
No one's that excited about spring and summer
is my
fashion.
favorite season.
Is it? Me too, but not for clothes for the most part.
Oh no, for clothes for me too.
Oh, okay. Not for me. I feel like most curvy girls can feel the same way too. You want to like put layers on. But anyways, we've created some amazing looks for you guys. We're styling rompers 6 different ways.
6 outfit ideas for you.
Let's do this. So for my romper, this is super flirty. I love the little eyelets. I love the ruffle details. It's a lot of fabric. So, you know, it was really interesting to play around with it. What I love about this, and I think for curvy girls, you need to figure out like the right silhouettes for your body. I have a challenge where I'm tall, I'm curvy. I have like crotch issues when it comes to rompers. You know what I'm saying?
Everyone does, I do too.
Yeah, it's hard. So I found that this is the perfect set. I think just the way it's cut, the inseam is great. And that's why I was like, okay, this is my romper. I need to figure out how to style it different ways because like this is the one that's gonna work for me all summer long. So for the first look, I just paired it with some really fun yellow heels. It's cute and flirty. I feel like you can wear this all throughout the day. You could take it at night. Just so simple. And honestly, you can play up this look with any fun earrings, any fun shoes.
I went for a casual look and I just wanted to pair it with sneakers, dress it down a bit, added a western belt because I really have a trend right now, and a denim jacket, which I feel like we wear so much in these series because they just go with everything.
100%.
You need a denim jacket.
You need a good denim jacket and a good leather jacket, and if you have them both, like you're sold.
Endless styling possibilities.
For sure. For the second look, I decided to like make this like power business.
I love this look.
Thank you.
It's my favorite.
You know what it is, like in the summer, right? Especially if you're going to work, you're not gonna wanna like wear a suit.
And who would think to wear a romper to work except this girl?
Well, I love suits, I love rompers, I love layered looks, so I feel like it's so natural to like throw something on top, but why not try throwing something underneath your look?
Yeah.
So I just wore a white button down and I threw a blazer over it too. And as long as your romper is like long enough, don't wear like a booty short.
Right.
Nothing inappropriate to work, but you can definitely get away with making this look a little bit more sophisticated.
Especially if like, you work in a more creative environment, it definitely works.
In Los Angeles, this is so, like you can for sure wear this to work, I feel like in LA.
Definitely.
Definitely.
So for my second look, I did a work look as well, and I put something on top instead of underneath. So I just went with a lace pencil skirt. So since
I can't believe you were able to pull that off. Like it looks so good.
Thank you. So
You would never even know.
You never know, right? It just
Never.
looks like a top. So
Yeah.
it's just really about getting more use out of your clothing. And if you do this look, you either want something with volume on the skirt or something that's a thicker fabric. That way it hides the shorts underneath.
Absolutely.
But it's really comfortable because I mean, it's just shorts. It's like wearing booty shorts underneath.
For sure.
No big deal.
So for my third look, I decided to make this more of a night look. I wanted to glam it up a little bit because it does feel like a very casual romper for the day, but by adding a pair of nice black heels, by taking it off the shoulders and adding a belt, just glams it up, makes it a little bit sexy.
I love it so much.
It's cute, thank
So
you.
cute. So for my romper, since I'm petite, sometimes rompers can look like I'm a little girl, you know, and I'm like, no, I'm 30 years old. I want to look like a grown up. So I found that the lace makes it a little more sophisticated and a little bit more grown up.
Definitely elevates it for
Yeah,
sure.
it definitely elevates it, especially in black. For my last one, I started with a nighttime look, just kept it really classic, simple, sleek. These are my favorite sandals. I have them in like every color. I love them so much.
They're so cute.
Thank you. Okay.
So you guys, these are 6 different ways to style rompers. I hope you feel inspired. I hope that next time you go shopping, you're like, you know what? Maybe I should give rompers another chance.
Yes.
So I hope you guys love this series. I think it's so fun to show you not only how to wear different looks and different styles, but also for different body shapes. That's so important. It doesn't matter your size. You can pull off whatever you want to, and these are just some cool and fun ideas. So next week we have another series, another video coming up. But first, head to Sydne's channel because we are styling maxi dresses 6 different ways.
See you over there.
Bye guys.